1963 Chevy 2 Nova. 355 small block, 10:1 compression, AFR heads, comp roller cam and rockers, air gap intake and Holley 750 carburetor. Dyno tuned to 598 HP, have dyno results. Muncie 4-speed with Lakewood scatter shield, Hayes explosion-proof flywheel and centerforce clutch. Narrowed 9-inch rear end with 350 gears, Willwood rear disc brakes, Moser axles and Heights 4-link rear suspension. Fat Man Fabrications rack and pinion front end with adjustable coilover struts, front disc brakes, Willwood master cylinder and line lock. Body has new quarter panels, floor, hood and trunk lid. All new light bezels, trim, windshield and bumpers. Exterior finished in all black. All new interior including dash bezels and gauges. At a price, $35,000. Number 10. Replacement parts that need to be put in that come with car/already installed parts. Back seat release button. Vacuum headlight switch. Shifter boot. Arm rests. Accessory belt. Ashtray. Dome light cover. Vacuum hose kit. Spark plug wires. Headlight springs. Starter. Alternator. Distributor cap. Serpentine belt. New tires. Cons. Headlights need to be manually popped up. Battery has a disconnecting switch. Paint is a bit orange peeled. At a price, $9,000. Number 11. 1975 Pontiac Granville convertible, 103,800 original miles. This car is highly optioned, included split bench power front seat, driver's side. Cruise control, not working, power windows/locks, tilt wheel, not working, and 4-speaker aftermarket stereo. Tires have less than 1,000 miles on them, brakes are near new. New muffler, tailpipe, and shocks. Complete tune-up has been done to engine. All fluids are fresh. I have done a lot of work to restore the interior, including new carpeting, seat cleaning and repair, and restoration of the dashboard. Various rubber trim pieces have been replaced. This car runs and drives very well, but the engine will need some work. I believe it needs new lifters, and I've decided to sell rather than doing the work. I'm retired, so I'm available most any time to show the car. At a price, $17,500. Number 12. 1971 Plymouth Duster. 318/904/7.52 barrel carb. Incredibly clean, straight, and solid Idaho car. Runs well and drives down the road straight and smooth. Sherwood green exterior with upgraded two-tone upholstery. New dash pad, package tray. Has original AM radio. New 80/20 loop carpet as well. Original floorboards and trunk floor are rock solid. Super clean and solid underneath as well. Power steering makes this car a dream to drive. Tires have less than 2,000 miles on them. Odometer reads just over 11,000 miles, however I'm not claiming that as original. Was just in the Milwaukee World of Wheels/Autorama car show and was well received. At a price, $26,500. Number 13. I have a 1955 Chevrolet 150 with Bel Air chrome, missing the chrome for the passenger and driver doors. If you have it, I'm interested in purchasing it. Has a mild-built 350 with a 700R transmission and power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning needs charged and the heater needs to be hooked up, runs and drives good, floors are all good. Still needs a little finishing, but drive it the way it is. I will trade, but be real, nothing over 1,972. No bikes, boats, race cars, nothing on AS10 frame. Send pictures. At a price, $34,500.